Hello and welcome. Let's model this Trammel of Archimedes. Sometimes it's called the do-nothing machine, and it's the three-way version. All right, so let me show you that from the top, how those sliders move. We have that base, 3 sliders, and a grip. So you see that up close. And let me stop that. And let's start modeling then. We will start in the Part Studio with a sketch on the top plane. And let's take that polygon, 6-sided, make one side here horizontal, and give that a dimension from side to side. That'll be 150. Hide those sketches with P and make an extrude of that of 48 millimeters. And start another sketch on there. Let's make it a center rectangle here on the top face. Give that midpoint relationship of that line with the origin, and a coincident right here. And let's give that a width of 26. Okay. Now we will cut that in there with remove 18, accept that. And now we will revolve that cut. We need an axis, so let's make one with intersection curve, front plane and right plane. There we have it. Now circular pattern of the feature, that one, around this, apply per instance, and 6 times. There it is. Let's give that a name, base, and some appearance, maybe something like that here. Okay. Then, just to give it some distinctive appearance, let's shell that, removing those faces and maybe 4 millimeters thick. Yeah. And I'll give that face here black color. Okay. And that's it for the base. Now, within the Part Studio, we can define different bodies, right? We know that. So I will start a sketch here on that face. Center point rectangle here. Let's see where we, yeah. With I will make those two coincident. And with that edge, that point there, maybe 8 millimeters. Accept that. and extrude that sketch, make it here constrained by that face, ensure we want a new body, accept that, and then that next sketch is a circle on that top face. So sketch, take that face, circle, sure, that origin, dimension that 14 millimeters. Take that circle, we want that one, and 8 millimeters high. Yeah. Call that body slider and give that some different color, green. Yeah. All right, so that is for that slider. And now we will apply the appropriate mates for the slider and the base, okay? We can hide that curve in our axis. And let's hide for a moment our slider. Go into mate connectors. Take that face, that origin position, but let's apply a revolute of that mate around the x-axis. So the z-axis will be running in that direction. So realign, no, move, rotate about axis 90 degrees, and there we have it. Yeah. So let's give that a name, edit, rename, base mate. Okay, and hide that. Show the slider, hide the base. And now for the slider, let's take that face and rotate that around the x-axis. Move, rotate about x, 90. Yeah, great. All right, let's call that mate connector slider. Okay, so let's show that one, yeah. And let's jump into the assembly. Insert, Part Studio, oops, that's too much. All right, accept that. See what we got. All right, that is free. We can really, we want a fixed base and fix that anywhere where we are. Fix, all right. And now about that one. We want to apply that slider mate thing here. Take that one, and that's it. And see what we got here. Animate that. A little slow, right? But we see where that is going, and that is what we want, right? Okay. So let's insert that one more time. And Now apply that very same mate, slider mate, that one. And sure, we want that to be running in this slot here. So we need a change the rotation around about Y, and that would be then 120 degrees, right? 120. There. Okay, well, 120, yeah. So again, that is going well. And let's do that one more time here. There it is. Slider, that one, that mate, limits, no, offset. About the Y, and that is then 60, right? 60. There we are. Okay, so now we got these 3 sliders here running individually on each track, and now we will connect those. I will reset one of them to the origin, and the next one we need to reset that it will stay exactly here on with its origin here on the center. That's a 75, right? Edit. Okay, so we want to position the origin of the sliders with that face or that one. And we'll just use the planar mate here. Take that mate, take that face, accept that. And again, that one and that one, accept that. So that is the position we need to model that grip. Okay, and so that is a top-down modeling, or here in Onshape, we call it create part studio in context. So that is what we're going to do. First, they want us to now to give some origin for that part. I'll take that, accept that. I'll hide those planes pressing P and start a sketch on this top face. Press U to project edges. Take that one, and that one. And then let's just draw a line, construction line from here to here, from here to here, and from here to over there. Ooh, make that construction. And so that is defined already, that one. I'll show you the constraints, okay, here. Good. Give that dimension, length dimension. Right, let's dimension that with 88. And now we get this slot tool here, where here, under offset, you get slot. You take that construction line and give that dimension of 22 millimeters diameter. Do that again with that line. Accept that. One more time. Make that one a little thicker. Let's see. That is from that one and that one here. Yeah, that's the one. 26. Accept that. And go into extrude. Take that to face, to that top face, that cylinder. We need or I want to include that one as well. Yeah, that's good. And now add some fillets here. One over here, 6 millimeters, okay. And one over there, 32. And back here again, yeah. All right. And so to make it a grip, let's put some handle there. I hover over that edge and get that center point of that arc and give that a dimension 16 millimeters. Extrude that 22. Yeah. And call that grip. And then give it some nice color here. What about that one? Yeah. So we get that part defined and within the assembly context. And now we insert that grip into our assembly. There it is. But sure, it's not confined yet to its position. So we'll do that with that revolute mate. Hover over that edge, take that one, accept that, take the next one here, accept that. Now we need to pick those. Let's get out of here for a moment. Let's suppress that planar mate. And now let's apply that same revolute mate. So we got 3 slider mates, 3 revolute, and that other planar mate we don't need anymore. And now let's go to one of those revolute mates and animate that with a loop. And that is the do nothing machine. I published another tutorial about a two-way do nothing machine or a Trammel of Archimedes. And well, you can continue with more sides, give more sides to that polygon, right? And make it 4 ways or so on. Well, I hope you liked that tutorial and talk to you soon.